Hello friends, in this video we'll be discussing problem number 4 on abelian group. Welcome back friends. Let us discuss the next problem number 4 on abelian group, similar to the last 3 problems. Let us check what the problem is. Here set A is given, so A, G, whatever the set is given, doesn't matter, it's just a naming. So A, this contains these elements. We need to check whether a comma plus 15. Last time it was x18. So what do you mean by x18? Multiplication modulo 18. Now here it is plus 15. That means addition modulo 15. That means you need to add two numbers divided by 15, and what is the remainder that you're going to write it down, or that's your answer basically. We need to check whether it is an abelian group or not. We need to check whether it is a cyclic group or not, and we need to find it out generator. So let us start. First of all, let us fill the composition table. The elements are 0, 3, 6, 9 and 12. 0, 3, 6, 9 and 12. So what do you mean by this? Plus 15, you just need to add divided by 15 and you're going to write it on the remainder. So 0 plus 0, 0 divided by 15, remainder is 0. 0 plus 3, 6, 9, 12, because the number is less than 12. This calculation you can do it orally. Please don't take your calculator out. This can be done orally. 3 plus 0 is what? 3. Less than 15, that is the remainder. 6 divided by 15, 6. 6 and 3, 9. 3 and 9, 12. 3 plus 12 is 15 divided by 15. The remainder is 0. Next, 6. 6 and 3, 9. 6, 6, 12. 6 and 9, 15. So remainder is 0. 6 and 12, 18 divided by 15. The remainder is 3. Next, 9, 12, 15. 18 divided by 15, remainder is 3. 12 plus 9 is 21 divided by 15, remainder is 6. So this is 12, this is 0, 12 and 6, 18. 18 divided by 15. 12 plus 9, 21 divided by 15. 12, 12. 24 divided by 15. So this is the table, composition table. All entries in the table belongs to the set A. A comma plus 15 is closed. What is next? Associate, you can choose any three elements. Let's say 0. Any three you can choose. Let's say 3 and let's say 6. So this is 0 plus 15, 3 plus 15, 6. So first of all, this bracket will be executed. 3 plus 15, 6. 3 plus 15, 6 is 9. 0 plus 15, 3. 0 plus 15, 3 is 3. So 0 plus 15, 9 is obviously 9. This is also 9. Therefore, you can say associative property is satisfied. Therefore, it is associative. Next, identity element. 0, 3, 6. The operation is plus 15. And on right hand side, we should get the same number. Nine and 12. So what you're going to write it down? 0 plus 15, what is 0? Is what? 0. 13 plus 15, what is 3? Sorry, 3 plus 15, what is 3? 3 plus 15, 0 is 3. So in short, everywhere 0 will come. Therefore, E is equal to 0. That means your identity element is 0. What next? We need to find it out the inverse. What is the formula? A into A inverse equal to E. So elements are 0, 3, 6, 9 and 12. Plus 15 everywhere. And on right hand side equal to, we should get the identity element which is 0. So let us check. 0 plus 15, what is 0? 0. 3 plus 15, what is 0? 3, 0 plus 15, 12. So 12 will come here. Next, with 6, 0 is here, so 9 will come. Next, with 9, 0 is here, 6 will come. With the 12, 0 with 3. So in short, 0 inverse is 0, 3 inverse is 12, 6 inverse is 9, 9 inverse is 6, and 12 inverse is 3. That means inverse of each and every term exists. Commutative is just a formality. Let's take any number. So let's say 6 and 6 plus 15, 3. So basically 9 will be the answer of both. So it's just a formality, it's a commutative. Now what next? We need to check whether there is a generator in the problem or not. For that purpose, we need to check. Let us start with 3. I'm not sure whether it's a generator or not. Let's find it out. Let's check whether it's a generator or not. Generator means, can we generate all the elements from 3? So let us start. 3 square. 3 square is what? 3 plus 15, 3. So 3 plus 15, 3. 3, 3, and the answer is 6. Next, 3 cube. That means 3 square plus 15, 3. That means 6 plus 15, 3. So 6 and 3, we getting 9. Next, 3 raised to 4. 3 cube plus 15, 3. That means 9 plus 15, 3. 9 plus 15, 3 is what? 12. Next, 3 raised to 5. That means 12 plus 15, 3. So 12 plus 15, 3 is what? 0. 3 raised to 6 is what? 3 raised to 5 plus 15, 3. That means 0 plus 15, 3. 0 plus 15, 3 is what? 3. See here, we got all the elements. 0, 3, 6, 9, 12. That means A comma plus 15 is a cyclic group and 3 is a generator. If you check in this problem, if you check with the 6, 6 is also generator. From 6 also you can generate all the elements. So there is a possibility you can get multiple generators in the same problem. That is it. So one of the simplest problem. Hope you understood. Thank you for watching this video. Take care.